Hey guys, Big Phil here and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you all a very good tips and tricks that will help you out to customize your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro for a better experience. And please, if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button for a lot of good videos come up on Big Phil TV. Alright, let's start with the first important tips, which is how to install the Google Voice Assistant on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Because from the box, when you buy this smartwatch, it comes pre-installed Bixby. And how do you install the Google Voice Assistant? And there are two ways you can do that. You can either get into the Play Store from the watch, then you search for Google Voice Assistant, or the best means, use your smartphone. Now you tap on Play Store. Then you tap on other devices, and in other devices you tap on the watch, because you can see here these are three devices that are connected to my Google Voice Assistant. I tap on the watch, then I search for Voice Assistant, and once you search for it, install, and that's it. It's already available on the watch. Now on the watch, you scroll right down to the bottom. That's it right there. Voice Assistant is right there. The second tip is how to customize this two-side button into anything, whatever you want. Now, there are ways you can do that. You get into your settings, which is right here. Then scroll down to advanced features. Then you scroll right down again to customize keys. Tap on it. Here we got the home key and the back key. For the home key, there are two things you can do. You can double press or press and hold. Now, for double press, you can customize it for whatever you want. As you can see, these are the different features that you can customize this button for. Let's say I customize it for music. So if I double press this home button right here, it's going to take me to music. Then if I press and hold, as you can see, by default, it is set to Bixby. But I'm going to change it now and put it to Voice Assistant. If I press and hold the home key right here, you see it activates the Voice Assistant. Even though the majority of people around the world wear their watch on their left wrist, some people wear their watch on the right wrist. And luckily on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, you can customize the orientation. All you gotta do is to get in the settings, then you swipe down to General, and in General, swipe down again to Orientation. Tap on it, that's it right here. So you can either choose left wrist, which I wear my watch on my left wrist, so I'm gonna leave it on left, or you can choose right wrist. Now, let's talk about how to customize your emergency SOS. You get in the settings, then you swipe down to Safety and Emergency, tap on it. There we have SOS with home key, and we have hard forward dictation. If you tap on SOS, then you got to turn it on. Once you turn it on, the first thing it's got to do is it's going to take you back to your smartphone, where on your smartphone, you got to choose a particular contact in which the SOS will go to. It can be your friend, your mom, your dad, anybody. Then back on the watch, there are a number of times you got to press the home key to activate the SOS. You got 3 times and 4 times. So I choose 3 times. So if I tap the home key 3 times, the SOS will be sent directly to the contact, the particular contact. Now, if we go back, there is also hard forward dictation, which when you tap on it, you got to turn it on. And once you turn it on, it can be when to dictate a for. It can be always, or it can be during a physical activities, or during a workout. So I'm just going to put mine on always. So if you dictate any for, it will send an SOS to my particular contact, which is my wife. The next tip is how to download more watch faces on a Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. And one thing I'm not going to argue is that the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro comes with a lot of beautiful watch faces. But sometimes it's not enough. You want to download more. And since the watch is running the Google Wear OS, there are a lot of beautiful watch faces that you can download from Google. And how do you do that? You tap and hold. There are 2 ways you can do it. You can download it from the watch where you tap and hold. Then you scroll right to the end, the extreme. They tap on plus, then you scroll again right to the extreme. Here, you tap on more watch faces. It takes you to all the watch faces that you can download from Google. From the watch, it's quite difficult because it's small. You cannot really see exactly how the watch faces looks like before you download them. But Let's go to the phone. In the phone, you get into Galaxy Wearable. Then you tap on Watch Faces. Then you go right down to the bottom. Get more watch faces. Tap right here. As you can see, it gives you different categories and it gives you free, and top paid. If you tap on top paid watch faces, these are the watch faces that are available to be downloaded for the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. It even has Rolex watch faces. Oh wow. And I like these Rolex watch faces, man. And now let's talk about customizing the watch faces on your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. And that's one thing that I really love about this watch. Samsung has copied the style of Apple, where you can customize the watch faces with so many colors and so many complications. For colors, like if you want to customize, you tap and hold, you tap on customize right here. Then it's going to take you to first the clock font, the different font. And that's one thing I like. You can use smaller font or larger font. You can also get into the colors. Ooh, there are so many colors, man. And as you can see right here, so many different colors. Even mixture of colors are here, you know. As you can see, there are mixture of green and white, red and pink, blue and red. So many mixtures, a lot of colors, which is nice. And when it comes to complications, there are a lot of complications also. Each watch faces, you can add like 5 complications on the watch face. So you can highly customize your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro with so many colors and complications and fonts. The next tip is a feature that I know most of you guys doesn't know exists on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. It is gesture control, also known as quick launch. Now to access it, you get into the settings. Then you scroll down to advanced feature. Then you scroll right down again to quick launch. That's it right here. You make sure to turn it on. And once you turn it on, you can select the different option. For example, if you move your wrists, you can select workout, a particular workout, or you can turn on flashlight, or you can add a reminder, or you can select voice assistant. So as you can see right here, if you move your wrist in this gesture right here, it activates voice assistant. That is nice. I like this. Now, let me show you guys how to extend the battery life of your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. The Galaxy Watch 5 Pro has the biggest battery ever on the Galaxy Watch, but it can only last you 2 days, maximum 2 days. So how do you extend the battery life if you're in a situation where you have no charger or you cannot charge the watch? Very simple. You swipe from bottom to top. You tap on the settings, then you scroll down to battery, then you swipe down again to power saving. Now, if you tap on power saving, there'll be so much limitations. Like there is no always on display, there'll be no Wi-Fi, there'll be no CPU speed, there'll be limited background stall location. There'll be so many limitations, but it's going to extend your battery life to about 14 hours. So for right now, if I turn on the power mode, it's going to extend my battery life to 14 hours, 29 minutes. Meanwhile, I only have how many percent? I only have 40% battery life right now. Another thing you can do is to turn on watch only. So if you turn on watch only, the battery life is going to goes up to about 4 days, 23 hours. That is crazy. But when you turn it on, the only thing you can see is the watch face. That's the only thing that you'll be able to see. And if you want to see it, you have to press the home key to take you to the watch face only. You can also use the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro to activate and control the camera of your smartphone. All you got to do is to swipe from bottom to top. It takes you to all the different features. Then you tap on the camera app right here. Once you tap on it, you confirm to open the camera. And now the camera of my smartphone is activated. I can take a photo from the watch by tapping on this button right here. It takes a photo. And you can see the preview of the photo from the watch. You can also take a video from the watch. You tap on this video icon. When you tap on it, it activates the video. Then start recording. Now, let me show you guys how to use your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro as a bedside clock. All you got to do is to get in the settings. You swipe down to display. Then you swipe right to the bottom, right here, show charging info. So when you turn it on right now, and you are charging your smartwatch, your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, anytime you're charging it, especially at night, you'll be able to see a time, the charging percentage. It stays there, so it acts as a bedside clock. Another important tips and tricks for quick navigation of your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is customizing the toggles. If you swipe from top to bottom, it takes you to all the quick toggles, and you can customize them. You can put it the way you want them. You can change the different position. You swipe to the last page. There is a plus button. You tap on it. If you tap on it, you can add more quick toggles. So you can add the NFC, you can add the moving mode, you can add other things, or you can rearrange their position. You can put the most important toggles onto the first page. As you can see mine right here, this is my first page. I got the most important things like turn off the watch, sound, settings, do not disturb, bed mode. They're all on the first page, then the second page, and the third page. So you can rearrange all the quick toggle, which helps you to navigate the watch much faster. Now let's talk about sound. How do you customize the notification sound and ringtone of your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro? You get in the settings. Once you get in the settings, then you swipe down to sound and vibration. Then you swipe again down to notification sound. Here, there are different sounds that you can use for your notification. You got things like beep, chip, music box, sky. I like sky, that's the one I use. And you can also customize the ringtone, which is right here, ringtone. You have droplet, you have glassy tune, you have kalimba. I like this one I'll be using. So that's it. You can also customize the volume. How much volume do you want? 100%, 50%. And you can customize the vibration strength. How strong do you like your vibration? And how long? You like it short or long? I like it long. Long is better. And light and strong. I like it strong. And finally, let me show you guys how to install a lock screen on your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. You get in the settings. Then you swipe to the bottom, swipe to security. That's it right there. Lock type. You tap here. It gives you different modes. You have padding or pin. So if you tap on pin, you have different digits, like 4 numbers that you can use to lock your Galaxy Watch. Or you can tap on padding. You use a padding to lock your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. And those are all the different tips and tricks that will help you to customize your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro for a better experience. Let me know down in the comment section, which one do you think is your favorite tips? And if there's anything I failed to mention in this video, please let me know down in the comment section. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any question, drop it down in the comment section. I reply to all questions. And if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button for a lot of good videos come up on Big Phil TV. Until then, see you into the next one. Peace.